Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Carmina and I am the e-commerce mom, and I will be sharing my results with Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails supplement. So I hope you continue watching. So this is what my nails look like currently. And they always look like this. They always chip, and they only grow to be, okay babe, they only grow to be a certain length. Like this one's pretty long, but it'll break. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, they're not very strong. I mean, they're strong enough, but like when I do laundry and stuff, excuse me, when I do laundry and stuff, that's when I break them. And when I do dishes, I wear gloves because I don't like to do dishes without gloves because it's harsh on my skin and nails. So I'm gonna cut them all the same length, and after the month is through, we will check and see if there's any difference in the way my nails are, and their strength, and their flexibility, and if they're less apt to break. And I have a little guy here playing with the lemons. Hey babe, can I see your nails? Yeah. Owie! Oh, he got an owie on his nail. Let's show your owie. He smashed it in the door at the house, so he lost his nail. Poor thing. Poor guy. He got an owie. Today's the 1st of July. We cut all my nails the same length. And we are going to take our skin, hair, and nail vitamins for 31 days. And we'll see what it does to my nails and my hair and my skin. Alrighty then. Hi, I'm back. It's been 31 days. Actually, it's the 1st now. And I need to show you guys my results from taking the hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I'm going to show you my nails. Here's my daughter Adela, my little girl. We went to the fair today. It was a dollar day because it was the opening day, and it was fun, and I'm tired, very tired. I have a twin stroller, and I had both Adela and Elliot, my 2.5-year-old, and I pushed them all day. But enough of that. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my nails and let you know what I think of this hair, skin, and nails product. I'm sorry for any background noise. I'm outside in my front yard, and there's cars passing by and kids playing outside, but this lighting is the best because it's so late now, because I just got back from the fair and it's late, and the lighting in my house is not as great as this lighting. So I wanted to show you guys my nails, and this is 31 days, and I gotta tell you, I believe it works. It's working because this nail here, as you can see, is shorter. Like the 2nd week, it chipped, and I just peeled it straight off, and then I filed it, and that was that. I mean, it hasn't given me any problems, and usually my nails, they break very easily. I mean, I used to back in the day before I had my 2.5-year-old, I had nice, long, healthy nails, but I had 2 babies since, and it's hard to keep them long, and it's hard to grow them out. They're always chipping, peeling, and breaking. So this, for me, is good, I have to say. This one looks kind of odd shaped. I must have filed that. I must have had a little nick on there. Sorry, I don't remember what happened there. I'm always doing laundry and chasing after children. But on this hand, nothing, just this barely happened yesterday. I did laundry. You know what? I have to say too, when I do laundry, my nails break all the time. And I've been doing laundry all month, and I haven't had any big breaks at all. I did laundry yesterday. That's how this must have happened. So my final thoughts on this, I like it, and I'm going to keep taking it. You know, I'll do a follow-up video and take it for another 30 days and just follow up and show you how my nails are doing. And it'll be interesting because I'm going to go camping this month. Oh, this little decoration here I got from the fair today. Cute. Yeah, I painted my nails just a couple of days. I left it on for about, I would say 3-4 days. I took it off. Basically this whole month I was mostly without nail polish. I'm going to straighten out my hair and take a photo so I could put it on the video and do a before and after, because I did take a before photo of my hair length, so I'll take an after photo for you guys. So you can kind of compare those, and I can compare them also. But my hair, it grows really fast. I mean, I went beginning of the month to get my highlights done, and they're already grown out. So I'm going to take them longer than 31 days. I want to take them for another month and maybe for the rest of my life. I mean, I'm liking them. As far as my nails go, I don't have acne or rosacea or dryness, so I really can't attest to the skin part of it really, but I mean, I think it's worth a try. I'm liking my nails. I could say that definitely, because my nails, they chip, they break, they always break. I can never get them as long as they are now, so I'm going to keep trying this. I'm taking the supplement, and I'm going to do another follow-up video. We'll do a 60 days, another month, and it'll be interesting because, like I said, I'm going to go camping, and I'm always chasing kids around and doing laundry and dishes, and so I have to say I like this hair, skin, and nails product. If you guys don't mind, I would like to show you some clips from today at the Ventura County Fair. Thank you for tuning in. I'm the e-commerce mom. My name's Carmina, and I'm here to let you know that you can get paid when you shop online. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you like these type of videos, and if you want to follow me and my little family. I'll leave links down below if you want to try this supplement. I will post my day at the fair today, a little video clip on my Instagram. So I'll have the link to my Instagram below also. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like this video if it was helpful and share it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.